Alrighty, this is just a quick little first impression video of my Atomic Bear. It's a tactical pen. It has a glass break, so if you get trapped in a car, you can break the glass. And it's a pen. I actually like the way it feels. Not too heavy. If you need to break something. Very sturdy tip. That's not the pen, that's a steel, or I don't know what it's made of, but it's a very hard tip. Pen does snap off. Seems like it closes tight. I've seen some videos that, or some reviews say that it doesn't hold after a while. We will see. But for the price, I like it. I was looking at other pens online that were like, I don't know, $30, $40, $50, $60. And literally every tactical pen has bad reviews. I look at the 1 stars and they all say they fall apart. So I figured I'd spend the lower amount. But this is what comes in the box. 2 stickers. Nice box. You can see the little O-ring in there, which is in there. And a pen refill. I think I paid like 10 bucks for this. Something like that. On Amazon. For now, it looks like it's worth it. Check the description and I will let you know in a couple weeks how it holds up. Thanks.